I am Jigar Jivani. On behalf of NDBI, I would like to welcome the speaker, Mr. Shahil Shah, and all the attendees. So, like last time also, this time also we have a really overwhelming response from the participants, and it was a demanded session from the participants of last time attendees that we want something on the video content side. So, especially we have designed this session uh, on the theme of video creation tools and platforms. So many of you might know Sahil already, like who have attended the session last time. So Sahil is a digital marketing strategist who crafted his way to building Hungrito, a strong community of 120,000 foodies from his final year project. He now successfully runs a digital marketing company named NetSavvies, creating unforgettable brand experience through various projects being run in different cities. He was awarded by Andhra Pradesh CM for excellence in public administration. He is also a TEDx speaker. So many of like he's a known face in Ahmedabad already and also across India now. So over to you, Sahil. There are lots of people who have joined already, and for this session, we have anyways got registrations of up to 350 people. So I guess there's a great number.
Thank you, Jigar, for the introduction, and welcome everybody. Good morning. Thank you for taking time out and coming. I have shared the Facebook Live link in the chat, so if somebody wants to share it on their profile, they surely can. Or if some friends are not able to join in, and you want to share this info with them, you can do that. Okay. Before we start, I would like to do a small poll, a survey kind of thing, so that we understand where are you all from and what you all are doing. So the poll is live. If you all can push some buttons and it is the fastest finger first, so we can know more about you all. Are you able to see the poll? Okay, yeah. So I think people have started responding. Great. So this is done just to understand that how many people know about the things that we have been doing and what is your age group and where are you from, so that we know more about you, and then we can proceed the session accordingly. Okay. Somebody is with the age of 12. Thank you, young fellow, for attending. I think this session will be very useful, and I appreciate your zeal to learn at such a young age. Sorry, I did not keep that age group in the session. Okay, so I think the poll has been a minute and more. So let me end the poll and share the results. Okay, so we have 37% from the masters, which is highest. We have 15 to 21, which is a fairly very young audience. 27% are 20 to 25. Okay, and we have marketing enthusiasts also. We have people in business who are business owners, and then students and bachelors. Okay, great. Thank you all for the poll. I think it will be very helpful in understanding what are the things that you want. Okay, and let us begin with this session immediately. So, are you able to see the screen and hear me? If yes, push yes in the chat box. Okay, great. So, other thing is, I would like to know which city are you all from. So, do write it down your cities so that I can know where are you all from. Ahmedabad, Kurnool, great. Valsad, Toronto. Oh, so it's a evening time there. Evening of it's late night there. Surat, the Diamond City. Okay, Chandigarh, Surat, Baroda, Bardoli. Okay, somebody from Bardoli. Great to know that. Yamunanagar, Cuttack. Morning actually. Okay. Jalandhar. Oh, Kunal is saying it's 1:30 in Canada. Great. Gandhinagar, Rajkot. Okay, so we have people from a lot of different cities. Welcome everybody. Webinars are a very good medium to bring people from different cities together and then learn. I think I am learning this thing which is happening in the current pandemic. People are able to learn a lot of new things. So today the topic that we are going to discuss about or talk about is video creation. We will be talking about tools and platforms and in which way you can create videos. Okay, so videos are the number one thing which is coming up, but understanding from our perspective, okay, what we can do in videos and what are the platforms is something that I will be focusing on in the first 1 hour. And in the next half an hour, we will be taking up which are the few tools that we can use to create videos for free. Okay, so let us go deep down into video. So first thing, why video? The major thing is internet penetration and smartphone penetration both are increasing day by day. If you see, video is the most probably the most consumed type of medium on internet. So you will be seeing WhatsApp, you will be seeing YouTube, you will be seeing TikTok. There was a big fight of TikTok versus YouTube. How many people know about it? Hit a yes in the chat box. Okay, Ansh knows about it. Okay, so most of the people know about it, that there was a TikTok versus YouTube thing which was happening. Okay, so video is probably the most consumed type in the today's current scenario. Next thing which will be coming, around. Okay, Nikunj, if you don't know, please go research about it. TikTok has got more than around 1.2 or 1.6 rating because of that thing, and there was a whole scenario on internet. You can go and read about it. Okay, so when you see the entry bar is lowest, so when if we see before 5 years, the bar was very high because for video you needed good phone, you needed other things also. So like good sound, for good sound you needed a mic and a earphones or something like that, which are useful today. But at that time it was not possible. Before 2016, all the phones did not have such good cameras. But now if you see, cameras and everything are increasing day by day, and the quality of the video if you shoot from phone is tremendously increasing in a good quality. Okay, so if you see the number of people who are uploading videos from their phones, which are recorded from their phones, is increasing day by day. So in the beginning in 2016, you did not have a lot of people just uploading videos. Now you have people uploading their stories and all the things out there. There are people who are making films out of their phones. So iPhones are used a lot. There are a lot of competitions which go around for just making videos from their phones. Okay, so getting started. So where do I start in the beginning? So what are the type of contents that people need? Okay, so one thing is it's a document type. Okay, which are vlog, podcast. Okay, and behind the scenes meeting. So what we are doing currently is I am taking a session. Okay, so that will come into education. So that is the second part. Okay, where just now what we are doing is a how to do video, or how to create video content on internet. So that is a kind of a session that we are doing. So if I record this and post it on YouTube, which we did last time for design, no cost designing video, if anybody has missed that, they can go on YouTube or they can go on NDBI page and see that video. Okay, so that is a how to do video. Then there are about product and services. There are videos which are around product and services that people are doing. So I will show you few of the videos also after this. Then there is your sales process. What you can do is how you can increase your sales, or what are the things that you are doing in your sales, and those kind of things, and simple FAQs. Coming back to the first thing, which is document. How many people know Mumbaikar Nikhil? He makes a lot of vlogs. If you know, hit yes. If you don't, please write it down. Keep a water bottle handy with you, and pen and paper, so that you can write down things or you can note things around. So because you will need a lot of information in the coming time. So you will have to write down a lot of things so that you can go and research around it. Okay. So write down Mumbaikar Nikhil. He does a lot of vlogs and he is one of the most famous vloggers. Okay. So there were a lot of vloggers around in the initial days, but now most of them have started doing sketches. Okay. Then the second part is podcast. So recently there was a news that Shopify got on board a podcaster, and now Shopify's valuation has increased by 5 billion. Okay. So if you not have heard about that story, please go and read around it. So I will be throwing these kind of things a lot. So yeah, Joy is the name. So I will be throwing these kind of numbers and everything a lot to you, so that you understand, and this will in a way enable you to start going around and seeing things in the way that I want you all to see. Okay, so that you will be able to judge that, okay, this is a podcast, this is a behind the scene video, this is a meeting video, and those kind of things. Okay, behind the scenes are, if you go on and check Alia Bhatt's channel, you will see a lot of behind the scenes that she is doing now. Okay, I am talking about YouTube channel. Okay, a lot of people who are uploading things, there are movies and then there are behind the scenes of the movies, because these are the things which people now like a lot. People like raw content. So if you see Patal Lok, which released just now, I think a week back, and then all the actors are uploading pictures from their shoot days. Okay, so because they want to give you a sneak peek, or bloopers. Yeah, Tanya wrote correctly, bloopers are also there, which go into behind the scenes. Then there are meetings. So a lot of time what people do is they upload their whole meeting which was there, or there is a general meeting like a seminar is there, or there is an event, and then there are meetings, people upload those kind of things. Okay, so these are the document content which you don't have to push for, you can naturally create and then put it on the show or put it on the things. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So entertainment. Then comes entertainment. There is something funny at work, or interesting group or supply, or those kind of things. So these are in context. All the things which are there are in context with when you create a startup. Okay. So how many people watch funny content? Say yes in the funny, or on YouTube if you have seen any comedians and everything. You can type yes. Okay. Okay, great. So, how many of you remember the comedians that you watch, or which is your best comedian that you think is something which is interesting for you? You like the most? Which comedian do you like the most? Okay, Kapil Sharma, Ashish, Kerry Minati. Kerry Minati is a roaster in a way. Zakir Khan, Johnny Lever. It is about Charlie Chaplin won't be there on YouTube. Lily Singh, okay. Rahul Gandhi. Let's not get political here. Zakir Khan, Suri, okay. Kerry, okay. Abhishek Upmanyu, okay. Good. So I think fairly you all are seeing a lot of BBQ Vines is one. You have, all are seeing a lot of content, that is for sure. Zakir Khan is one of the favorites. Abhishek Upmanyu is also coming a lot of times. So then you are watching content a lot, and that means comedy is there on YouTube. That is one of the ways YouTube has segregated it. Okay, and there are a lot of other platforms. So what we will be doing in the next, I think 15-20 minutes is we will be going through the platforms which are there. Okay, and if you all have any questions, you can put them in Q&A section. Okay, so I will be taking them at the end of the session, and mostly maybe in between, and I think let us see when we can take the questions. Okay, so number one platform which is the best for video creation is YouTube. Okay, YouTube is there for the long form content, vlogs, podcast, and those kind of things. Politicians are also using, I think Sarthak gave the thing that attendees to everybody. Namo is using a lot of things on YouTube. We will be go and see those things. Set up a series of videos that would sell for you when you sleep. Okay. So this is the thing which we did. We did a seminar, webinar last week on Monday. Okay. And on Sunday, and then we uploaded it. In the last 4-5 days, we have gathered more than 350 views on those things. And if you go and see the NetSales channel, we hardly get any videos because we are not promoting it. We just started it a week or two back after the summit. But then it was a good content. We took that up and then showed it to people, and then people are liking it. Okay. Another series is FAQs, which you can do common problems. Okay. Let me show you the thing first. I will have to share the screen. Okay. Are you all able to understand till now? What is happening? Yes or no? Hit yes or no. Okay. Okay, people are getting it. Great. So a lot of people have raised their hands. Is it for questions, or what is it for? Just wanted to understand. Okay, let me share my screen now. I joined late. Okay. Can we have a brief? Okay. So those of the people who joined late, we are talking about videos in particular, and how to create videos will be something that we'll be talking about. Other thing that we'll be talking about is how we can majorly consume, we as an individual consume majorly the videos, and how we as a company or as an individual can upload videos, and in which category. Okay, great. So everybody can see the screen. Okay. So this is one of the accounts which I don't use. So that's why I brought it up, so that you, okay, need to move a bit faster. Sure, sure, sure. Okay. So you will see a lot of content there around. Okay. So what I wanted to show you guys was, last week we did no cost. Okay. The spelling is wrong. I don't know, but it's here. Okay. And if you see, what happens is, this is the kind of content which is documenting. Okay, or we said meetings or those kind of, it will fall in that category. So this is where we are here. So we uploaded it and then we got around, I think it's more than 300 views in 3 days. Okay, it's 300 video views. And if you see, this is what we have done. If you see, there are a lot of learning tools also. There's a channel called The Future. Okay, they upload a lot of videos which are around learning. So these are the kind of videos that you for yourself can see, consume, or other, if you are working in a company which is in some particular segment, you can upload this kind of videos and it will gather a lot of views. Why? Because if the content is good, people will see. Then there are comedians like Zakir Khan. Okay, so he uploads a lot of videos, and recently in lockdown I think he's uploading a lot more of videos. Zakir Khan first came into picture because of which video, if you all can say, if you all can put in which is the video which made him famous. Okay, Varun is saying AIB. Anybody else knows about it? Satlonda, yeah. So if you go in videos, always go and see the most popular one in each of the channels. Okay, so this is the thing which I do so that I understand where did they start. So Zakir Khan's first video which went viral was 4 years ago. Okay, and then there are two videos which went viral. Then after that he uploaded another video which was Life Mein Chahiye Izzat and those kind of things. Okay, so that is how the whole thing happened for Zakir Khan. Same if you see for Carrie Minati, because a lot of people are talking about Carrie Minati's video. I will just search. Okay, so now he has got a lot of video views. Okay, if you see his number of videos, last video it went for 55 million. Before that, the video where he people were assuming those kind of things that he got a lot of viewers. He had around 10.9 million subscribers before he uploaded the video of the roast of TikTokers, and that video went for around 60 million video views, and he gained 6 million followers. That is 60 lakh people subscribed to that his channel, almost 50% because of one video. Okay, so understand that part. These people are uploading videos for last 4 years, 5 years, 3 years, and when there will be a breakthrough moment where you will get one video which will go viral, but that can be your 200th video, or maybe that can be your second video, or maybe that can be your first video. We do not know. And TikTok is one platform, and then YouTube is another platform. Okay, so everybody has to keep on churning out good content. If you say in education, I think Vedantu is one which I think if you would have heard about it or not, they are doing some wonderful work with education in education sector. Okay, so they also keep on uploading a lot of videos. Videos is something that people are doing, and this is giving them views. यानी बैठे बैठे views मिल रहे हैं लोगों को, एक बार content बना दिया तो, and then you get more people to come on board and then discuss about it. Okay, BB Key Vines is another example. He started off very small. Okay, electricity, they are teaching electricity behind the scenes. Okay, and then other things. Okay, people are asking about softwares that we will take in the second session. Okay. Understood about YouTube? Are there any questions? So there will be a lot of things in YouTube. If you go in trending, you will be able to see which are the trending videos, what are the people talking about, and what kind of things are there. Trending is also, this is a general trending which is there. Okay, then this is a music trending, and then there are different categories. Understand that part. One thing which I would like to show you all is when you go in YouTube, Studio, a lot of people have questions that what is the music that we can use and where can we get copyright free music. Okay, is there a question that you all have? If yes, hit yes. If no, I will just show you where you can get those music. Okay, okay. So see, when you go in YouTube, you go to studio.youtube.com, or you can just drop down from here to YouTube Studio. Here it is coming YouTube, and you will get YouTube Studio. Okay. So in Studio, at the left hand side, you will have a lot of options like analytics, videos, playlist, comments. At the end of that, you will have audio library. When you click on audio library, you will get into audio library. This is royalty free music. Okay, and you will get a lot of them, lot of them, and you can select them by genre, you can select them by mood, you can select them by the instrument that you want. If you just want acoustic guitar, you will get them. You can select them by duration. Okay, okay, there is somebody else who is saying freemusicarchive.org that you can use. There are a lot of things, but these are the things which YouTube has given, and you won't face any copyright issues in future. So there are sound effects also. Okay. Okay. Just for people who missed out, if you are in your profile, okay, this is your own profile. You are on YouTube. Okay. So when you are on YouTube, click here, go to YouTube Studio. Okay. And when you go to YouTube Studio, it is taking some time. Sorry for that. Okay. There you go. You get the audio library. Okay. Got it. So if you got a good piece of information from here, type boom, BWM, boom. Okay. Good. Okay. Let's move forward. So let's dive down. Let me open the chat box. Yeah, chat is here. Great. Hitesh, if you can ask your question in the Q&A segment, that will be great. We will be taking in the end. I will be showing how to see the trends which are going. Okay. Then comes the platform which is LinkedIn. Okay. LinkedIn can be used a lot for the medium and short form content which are there. So if you see, Verico is one of the guys who is doing great on LinkedIn. If you are want to go viral on LinkedIn, talk about leadership, talk about I think behind the scenes also go well on LinkedIn. Talk about team building, talk about platforms that are there in a way that on LinkedIn, Gyan can always go viral on LinkedIn. Okay. And LinkedIn's organic reach is very high. So if you create short videos of how to do what are the things that you are doing, that will be great. Okay. Okay. How to merge videos with question. Yesha, you can ask the question in Q&A. We will take that. Okay. Emphasize on your why. As a product or as a company, whenever you are pitching on LinkedIn, your why should be very important. Okay. And on LinkedIn, if you talk, suppose you are in college and you want to talk about the college experiences that you have, you can surely do that on LinkedIn and you will get a lot of views there. Or if you want to say something about, suppose you are in one of the music clubs and those kind of things. So what has been your experience? Or if you are in MBA, okay, and you are in your MBA college, you can talk about what are your experiences while in your MBA colleges. Okay. So what are your friends experiencing and what are you experiencing? Those kind of videos will go a lot on LinkedIn. Okay. Understand that part. So wherever you are doing for a company or for yourself, LinkedIn is always about learning in the way. Okay. So वहाँ बहुत फालतू फालतू कंटेंट भी जाता है, ऐसा नहीं है LinkedIn पे नहीं जाता, but that is only 10%. LinkedIn gives probably because a lot of people are on LinkedIn to learn, a lot of people are on LinkedIn to network in a way. So if you keep the content in that level or of that level, that will be better rather than keeping everything around that. So every platform has its own way. So things which go viral on TikTok won't ever go viral on LinkedIn. That is for sure. Okay. If you have built your audience accordingly. So if things go viral on Facebook, that does not mean things go viral on YouTube for sure. Okay. Then comes TikTok. TikTok is a very emerging platform. If you are working for your company, then doing TikTok challenges will give you a lot of boost as a company. Okay. And that will be there. Other thing which TikTok gives a good platform is you can upload a lot of different kind of videos. Okay. So EduTalk is also there. I will be talking about videos which are not in the generic segment because TikTok, a lot of lip syncing videos are there, like Dub Smash and those kind of things. I won't be talking a lot about it. I am talking about how you can leverage for creating your own brand in a way. Okay. So EduTalk is one of the things. If you see Vedantu's TikTok, how many people have downloaded TikTok? Hit yes or why or no in the comment section. Bhai sahab. Uninstalled it. Okay, never. Okay, great. So I think most of the people don't know about TikTok in a way. So understand that fact. TikTok is going to stay. That is for sure. There are other platforms also like HELO. There is ShareChat. Okay. If you are not so if you're not into a lot of things which if you want to go into marketing, you need to understand TikTok. Okay, how it works and what are the things, because your target audience currently will not be on TikTok, but the Gen Z is already on TikTok. Because if I say somebody of 12-year-old, 15-year-old, he won't be there on Facebook, but he will be there on Snapchat or either TikTok. So you need to understand where are you coming from and what you want to target. Other thing that you need to do is at the end, if you see how many people are there on TikTok. So there are 500 million people on TikTok. Plus they are from tier 2, tier 3 cities a lot. So if you are working on a product which is targeting tier 2, tier 3 cities, you can use TikTok. Instagram is also a platform, as Tanya is saying, you can use them. But for TikTok, TikTok is very easy for people to consume. Okay. And the content there is very tricky, where you have to crack that really. But if you start now, you will start understanding what are the things that you have to do as a marketer. I'm talking just as a marketer, not as a content creator, not for personal use. It is up to your choice if you want to use it personally or not. It is just that there is a audience there, and as a marketing person, you cannot say that I won't go and target those audience if they are there, and they are very cheap just now. Cheap in a way that you can target them easily, because organic reach on TikTok is very high. So for you, if you want to create good content on TikTok, there is EduTalk, which is there. There is a hashtag EduTalk on TikTok, which you can go and research about. You can go and research about it on web also. You will get a lot of information how TikTok is promoting educational content. Okay. And then there is a problem solving things which are happening. So like 5 hacks to do these things, or 5 hacks you did not know about your iPhone, or 5 things in which way you can do this, 5 things you can do this, and those kind of things. Okay. So those kind of things are also there where you can help. So it is up to your skill set, how you want to leverage a TikTok as a platform. Okay. So one more thing which I would like to understand from you all, for videos, how you all want to uh, start using the videos. So is it for your personal use? Do write in the comment, or is it for a company? So that I can talk more about those things in the length. Okay, Himish is saying personal. Chetan is company, startup. Okay, professional, business, education, startup, personal, school. Okay, few people. Okay, personal branding, educational, personal brand, personal brand. Okay, for the people who think it is for personal branding and who want to do it for personal branding, I think for you, LinkedIn, YouTube will be a great platform where you will be getting very much like-minded people. Start uploading videos there. Okay, I will be showing how you can create those videos there. Akshay is there for motivational videos. I think YouTube platform is very good for motivational. TikTok is also great. You can do wonders there. Facebook Watch is also doing wonderfully well. Okay. Other thing which we will be talking about is Instagram. Instagram has taken long form content also. Okay. Into consideration with IGTV, but that is not giving a lot of reach now. Okay. Other thing which is there is you can create micro content on Instagram. Okay. So why micro content is, from a long form content you can cut 2-3 pieces of content, and you will be seeing a lot of people who are uploading videos where they have a title on the top which is in black, and then there is a content in the middle, and then at the end they are having some saying. Okay. So those kind of square format videos go very well on TikTok, on Instagram, sorry. And those kind of things are shared a lot. For startup perspective, you can share day-to-day stories, updates, and show off your office environment and those kind of things. For institute also, Dharmin, you can do that, those. So you can go around and show them the institute and those kind of things. Okay, please repeat once again. Okay. So for Instagram, main thing is Instagram gives a lot of push. It was giving a lot of push to IGTV, but now it is not. But IGTV is also good. People are not seeing a lot of things on IGTV now, because they have removed the button also of IGTV at the top. It is just a platform where you can upload videos of more than 1 minute. On Instagram, people like to see a lot of videos which are on day-to-day activity, rather than which is a trained one, or it's a very professional. For professional videos, people prefer watching them on YouTube, because that mindset is there. On Instagram, they want things which are raw. So whenever you are uploading videos, upload them into your stories, updates, and those kind of things. So where somebody was saying about a startup, or somebody says about educational institute, or somebody when saying about personal brand, what you can do is you can keep your camera facing to yourself. You can open your front camera and talk to people directly. Okay, like I am doing just now, I'm talking to you directly. I can use my phone also and do that. Okay, so do that in Instagram stories a lot. Do that in Instagram a lot. People like to see raw things. For educational institutes, they can show the how the environment around is. How environment means when students are there, and if students are not there, you can show how the campus looks, how beautiful the campus is, or what are the things there, how the library is looking, and those kind of things. For people who are in startups, you can show off the office. You can show the office environment. You can show the culture, how the office is working, and those kind of things. Okay, and there is a saying that do not hesitate to post pics of your work which is not aesthetically pleasing. Okay, so do not worry, whatever you are posting, people are going to see. Okay, don't worry. Start building your audience slowly and gradually. You will see what they are liking and what they are not. Okay, so major key takeaways from these things are, start where you are. Okay, and whatever you have with the phone, a smartphone is there. If you have camera, you can use that camera. Okay, if you have a lapel mic, use that. If you don't, go in a room, close room, shoot, and then come back. Okay, documenting is very easy than creating on daily basis. What I am saying is, because the session that I am doing today, we have been doing FB Live also. Thanks to Jigar and NDBI, we are able to bring this session to you guys. Okay, and we are doing this. I am teaching you all what are the things which I know as a person, and then we are documenting this. Then we upload this on YouTube. After some time, what I will do is I will cut short small videos from this and upload it on my personal profile. Okay, which is on Instagram, or maybe on Facebook, or maybe I will start uploading it on TikTok in future. I'm not uploading anything on TikTok for now, but I can do that. I can use it in Hello, I can use it in Share Chat and those kind of things, because documenting is very easy. When I'm talking to you guys, it is a real conversation which I am having currently. But if I want to do this in a very theatrical way, it will be very difficult for me. Okay, other thing which is going very well is podcast. So a lot of you would have seen AIB podcast which were happening in the earlier days. How many of you ever heard about podcasts? Say yes or no. Any podcast, any kind of podcast. Varun is saying yes. Okay. Okay. Himanish is not knowing. Okay. For people who do not understand what is podcast. Okay. Okay. Jigar, can you reshare the Facebook live link? Or few people are asking in the. Okay. So for people who do not understand what is podcast, I will like to reiterate once again. Podcast is a way where, have you heard about radio? If you have heard about radio, hit yes. Yes. So podcast is a kind of radio where people are discussing things and it is online. And it is a it can be one to one conversation. It can be one to many. It can be, I think, just single person giving his GAN. Okay. So that is there. Okay. So podcast is a way where you are not seeing video. It is just about talking and monkey. Okay. Yeah. Somebody gave a very good example called Monkey Baat. Monkey Baat is a podcast. Okay. So Monkey Baat is a podcast. So those kind of things are called podcast. Okay. Yeah. Zakir Khan has a podcast series which is called Umeed, which is, I think, which HDFC. Okay. And is on Ghana.com and those kind of things. So there are a lot of other things also which you guys can see. Digital Pratik did a lot of good podcast on digital marketing. If you go and search on Apple Podcast and you write digital marketing, his content will be coming on the top. Okay. So there can be single episodes which you can do, and it is very easy. People who are trying to create personal brand, please try to upload more podcast. Yes, Varun, putting podcast is free. Okay. And it is free for everybody. If you want to put podcast on any of the platforms, it is free. There is around 7 to 8 major platforms which are there. Okay. Please, whom to follow for digital marketing? Okay, it is Digital Pratik. He uploads a lot of things on digital marketing and those kind of things. He's Gary V for India, which is what he calls himself, and you can go check out his content. For digital marketing, there are a lot of other people who are uploading content. You can go search on YouTube, or we can discuss it on my LinkedIn profile. You can DM me and I will give you more content on that. Okay. For podcasters, it is very important. See, YouTube is one platform where you can okay, see, Isha, if you can put that question in Q&A, we will be taking it now. Okay. So for podcasters or people who are trying to upload, remember, your listeners or your people who will be seeing will start from zero. Let me show you one thing that I think, is my screen visible to everybody? Type yes. Okay, great. So you have to start somewhere. Understand that part. As NetSavis, we have been doing work for a long time now. We are into existence for 6 years. Okay, as a company, and we did videos and everything for in a college also. Okay. So when I type NetSavis, okay. So this is the main channel, which is the company channel just now. If you see, this is the video that we did last time, which is the highest viewed video on our channel. When I was in college, I used to do videos and I used to upload on this channel, okay, which is called Net Service, and it has 57 subscribers. But the fun fact is, one of the videos of Net Service has got more than 10,000 video views. I'm not able to see or bring that up. I don't know why. Okay, let me just go to the main channel and show you. You see this video, Freshers Oriented, 7 years back. We made this video. This was also a video which was made at that time. So it got around 221 video views. It has got 186. This is a trailer that we did for our college, DICT. It got 3.4K. This video went well for last 7 years. It is still gaining us views. Every year we get 1,000, 1,500 views every year. Okay. So remember, if you are creating good content, audience will come to you. So this is the old video which we made. This is a video that we are doing currently. And we did not do it with a purpose that we will get more views on this. But we are getting, continuously we are getting more views. And if you see on the other things, we are not promoting any of the other things which are there. And so we are not getting more views on those. So it is all about start. Wherever you are, start. See, all other, we haven't promoted those things for now. We are just concentrating on Facebook and Instagram for our profiles. But now we have started concentrating on YouTube, and now we are showing results there. We have handled YouTube for a lot of our clients, lot of our clients. And then they have been, they got tremendous response. It is just that, understand, you will have to push your content out. Okay. If you push your content out, people are going to see. If you take some steps, measures, people are going to see that. Okay. Understand, the last line which I wanted to reiterate again is pick 2 platforms. One for long form and one for short form. If you are into videos. So if you are choosing YouTube, YouTube is for long form. You are choosing Instagram, Instagram is for short form. If you are choosing YouTube, one other platform, LinkedIn, can be a long form thing. TikTok can other be a short form thing. Okay. Give priority to 1 or 2 platforms only at a time. Okay. And after that, give those platforms 80%, and the rest of the platforms you can give it, you can try and see what are the things which are happening. Because in the initial days, if you start uploading on all the major platforms, it will be very, very, very difficult. Okay. Tanya is saying even bad videos get more views. Yeah, Tanya, it is for sure. But there is no bad video. There are videos which relate to people. Okay. And so, okay, let us take questions and then we will deep down into how we can do editing. Okay. So let me stop my screen share and okay. Yeah. So let us take few questions, everybody. Do we will conduct a workshop online? Kamlesh, we are conducting an online workshop. I have answered that question. There is an anonymous question: how to find content? Which type of content should we create? Okay, so if you can give us more about things. Prakash is saying Pinterest. See, everybody who are talking about other platforms, there are a lot of other platforms where you can upload video. There is Dailymotion, there is Vimeo, and those kind of things. You can always upload your content there, but it is about where you want to create your initial buzz or initial audience. And after you have created that initial audience, then you transfer those audience to other places. Okay. So one thing is, if you are seeing, a lot of TikTokers are now on Instagram, a lot of YouTubers are now on Instagram, a lot of YouTubers have created profiles on Facebook. They share a lot of things on LinkedIn also. So if you see comedians and writing jokes on LinkedIn also. Why are they doing this? Because they have created a platform or they have created an audience on YouTube. And now they are taking that audience and leveraging those things on other platforms. So Zakir Khan does not upload each day one video on YouTube, but he tries to upload stories on Instagram because that is the way he wants to connect. Okay. So once you start doing on one platform, good, then you can transfer that audience to other platforms very easily. Okay. So yeah, like I think 1, 2, 3, go. Very true. Okay, so how to find content? Which type of content should we create? See, one thing that I will suggest you all, whenever you are working. So if you want to work for a motivational speaker, or if you, okay, yoga. Yeah, somebody is doing for yoga. Let us take this example for yoga. Okay, so for yoga, ma'am, I think Sunil sir is there. So for yoga, what you can do is you can first go and see what are the other people doing in the yoga segment. Okay, yoga is a recurring thing. Every day you have to do, and every day you are going to do something else. Okay, so what I will prefer is you go check what other people in yogas are doing. So what are they uploading? Which kind of content is going well? Okay, in each of the platform wise, then start mimicking them in the first place. You will understand, okay, this is working for me and this is not. Start to do experiments with the things that people are doing. So this will be the first base for you, that these are the things that you have to do. Then you have to start innovating. Okay, first start copying so that you are at least with the industry standard, and then you have to innovate. You have to bring something new. If you don't bring something new on the table, nobody is going to watch your videos. Because if chakrasan is an asan, it is done by 10-15 different people. Why would somebody go and see your chakrasan or your video where you are showing us chakrasan? Maybe there will be a delivery which is different. Maybe you are talking more about what are the benefits. Maybe you are talking in the right way, that these are the ways you can do, or maybe some other thing. You will have to figure that out. But first thing is, first find content of your industry. So somebody had asked how to find content. Go watch what are other people doing in your industry. That will really help. Okay, are you going to actually discuss tools? Yes, Daksha, we are going to discuss tools next. So please let us know different ways to have effective communication with students. Okay, Pratik is asking ways to have effective communication with students. I think you can go and check Vedantu. Vedantu is doing wonderful work in. They have their TikTok channel, they have their YouTube channel, they have their, I think, Facebook profile also is very active. Instagram profile is also active. You have to see where your audience is. So suppose for students are very active on Instagram just now. They won't be very active on Facebook. So you can go and do those things. Okay, because audience is there. So somebody just told that TikTok has a very negative impact on market, and is it a good idea to go there? Okay, so it is always a good idea to go where your audience is. Okay, so if you're trying to sell diamond jewelry, TikTok is not the platform that you should go. But if you are into t-shirt business and if you are into those kind of things, TikTok will be the platform that you will have to go, because the audience is there. Understand that part. Okay, there is a audience, very niche audience on Pinterest also. So if you are into anything which has which has to deal with, I think, women brand, okay, and it is into niche. So suppose there is a forest essential product or a body shop product and those kind of things, you can go and promote it on Pinterest. You will get a lot of reach there. You will get a lot of things. Okay. Okay, how to identify specific trending related industry. I will show you, Hitesh, that one. Okay, how to check trending hashtags. We will deep down into that. I just wanted to ask you if you can include aspects of digital marketing and what content and different tools like hashtag you use for marketing. Okay, so for hashtag search and those kind of things, Pinterest does not have videos. Sorry, Sunil. The thing was that in Pinterest you can upload those kind of content. Okay. I think Chinmay's answer, how to create content for Instagram stories. Okay, let us go there. For webinars, which one should we prefer, Facebook, Insta, or YouTube? Webinars, it is all dependent on your audience. Which audience are you targeting? Okay, if you want to do live webinars, YouTube will give you a lot of things. Okay, and Instagram, normal live, if you have your audience on Instagram, it is good. All the three platforms are good if you have your audience, because they won't be showing it to anybody else. YouTube, it will be showing it to others, but rest of the two platforms are not going to show it to anybody else. So try to come up with those kind of things. Okay, I think there are a lot of questions. We will try to take them on the end. We will start by basic things. Okay, and which are, just a second. Okay, so everybody is able to see the screen. Okay, great. So first thing is, there was a question where how can we create video stories? Okay, one thing that you all can do is, I use Canva a lot for stories and other purposes. Okay, so if you type story ad, okay, this is a free way of creating. We discussed Canva last time also in the session, but as a lot of people have not been in the session, this is the simplest way that you can do. Canva is a platform which is a free platform for creating content. Okay, you can create a lot of things. These are the types of stories that you will see. Okay, there is a whole new collection that you can see, and in stories format, videos are there. You can go and see those. It's an easy drag and drop platform. You can upload videos. You can upload your things there. You will get a video library also here. They have a lot of different videos. You have to just drag and drop those videos. I can delete this one. Okay, I have a video there. If I want to keep this one, I can just push it over this thing. Just a second. Okay. CNVA. Canva is CNVA. Okay, understand this. We can choose the element that we want. Okay, and then we will fit that in the element. I can choose it a square kind of thing. Okay, which will come in middle. Then I will get the video and I will push the video inside. Okay, it is very simple. And if you see, this is how it looks. Okay, you can change the content and everything wherever you want, whatever in way you want. So these are the simple ways in which you can create videos which are for stories. Sorry, for YouTube you cannot create videos. I am starting with the smaller bytes. Okay, there are video elements which are there which you can use for things. If you if somebody is into motivational thing, okay, and they want to talk about some things, this is something which you can use. You can simply go drag and drop that. It will come in this. Okay, and you can write your quote or anything here. Okay, so that can be done. So Canva is a free tool where you can use it for stories, you can use it for postings. Okay, you can create video post also. There are see lot of things, different ways in which people have used videos. Okay, you go explore this thing, you will learn a lot of things. Okay, so Canva is one. Has anybody used Canva after this session, in the last session that we discussed? Okay, a lot of people are saying yes. Great. So did you try this video feature? Was it useful? Okay. See, these kind of stories are very useful. Yes, Adobe Spark can also be used for people who are asking. So there will be a lot of free platforms. I will be just showing you few so that you understand that these are the tools and techniques. You will have to just drag and drop videos here. Sheil is asking, is Canva for Instagram stories? No, Canva is for all the things that you are there. If you go in home, you will see there we did a special session on Canva last Sunday. You can go and check that video out. But Canva will give you all the information, all the things that you need for your designing tools. Canva has everything. If you want to create a presentation, if you want to create a Facebook video, if you want to create, it's a small Facebook video. Okay, it is for a graphical way that you can create your postings, which are good. See these kind of things. These are there. The video is moving at the end. Understand these parts where I am showing you. These are the things which you all can use. Okay, according to what postings that you have to do. So these are not compulsory that it will happen like this or it will be useful to all of you. But these are the things which you can use always. Okay. So these are the type of content that you can always create. There are two videos in this. So if you see, I will just open it up so that you can understand. Videos, there is a problem that it will take time to load, but yeah. Okay, so when I will download it, I will get that in. So give me example. Let us create a story or a post with video so that you all can get some more idea about it. Give me some example that you want me to create. Intro. Intro about what? Education. YouTube intro. Okay, sports is one. Instagram post on MBA Life. Okay, great. MBA Life. Let us try to find something. Okay, work from home will be there. MBA Life, fitness. Okay, see, there are tips for teaching from home, but I don't think there will be video content in this. For people who wanted to do it for fitness, We have all the videos and everything here. There is a whole template of fitness. Okay, see, this is the power of Canva. You will get everything here. Okay, so these kind of things, active life and those kind of things, if you want to search, you can search your topic and you will get all those things. Okay, if I applied that 10 things here, I will get it. I can change the image, I can do those kind of things, whichever I like. Okay, I think this is a video. See, Arushi, we are coming on that. Okay, for creating YouTube videos and those kind of things. This is a video for workout which people can use. You can use a lot of videos which are in video segment. They are free videos and you can use all of them whichever way you like. Then there will be paid ones also. There will be paid stock things also. But there are free stock images also. These are time lapses if you want to use. A lot of them are there. Okay. So understand this part. There will be a mark of crown which is paid, and there will be free videos which you can use. Go experiment with those things and then you will understand that what I am talking about. See, whatever you are, videos will be shown simultaneously. If you add two videos, they will be shown simultaneously whenever you download it. Okay, so understand this part. In this you can create whatever you want. Okay, so suppose I want to create a Instagram video which has title and everything. Let me create that so that you all can get idea what I was talking about. Let me go into social media post. Okay, Instagram post. So people who are into motivational thing, okay, or digital marketing maybe. So what we will do is I will create element. Let me just color it black. Okay, then I will add a video. Motivational, if I can get something. Okay, I'm not, everything is paid. Okay, I think this one will work. Okay, see, this is a small video, but what I'm trying to show you guys is what kind of things you see on Instagram. Okay, so you can choose the video that you want. I'm not going to upload any of the videos which I have. Okay, first thing that we can do is, why should I care? Okay, increase the font size a bit. And then you add some small heading at the bottom. This is for testing, so please take care. Sorry for the pun, but yeah. And when you see this, okay, this is a small thing which we started doing. Okay, this is a video that we created, and people are creating a lot of memes in this way also. So you can increase the size of the video that you want. You can keep it a 1 minute video and those kind of things, and you can upload it from the uploads. Okay, and then you can create this. These are the kind of videos that you are seeing, guys. A lot of them are there on Instagram, a lot of them there are on Facebook. This is an easy way of creating them for a shorter format. Okay, if you got this, write boom in the comment box. I will drink water till that time. Great. Okay, so I think few people are still very much interested. Okay, and we will go forward. Is this much okay? Could you mention the best tools for editing? Okay, video editing. Okay, let me just show you around, guys, a bit in the industry so that you know what are the things that people use. Just I will do one thing is best video editing app software. Go and do this thing. Wherever you are on internet, go and do this. Okay, all of them are not free, I know. Okay, we are going to talk about free tools. Okay, yes, we can create 1 minute video and create header and footer over it. Yes, Sunil, we can do that. Sunil has asked a very good question. Can we create a video and upload it on Canva? Yes, we can. If you want to see how we can upload and those kind of things, there was a session which was done last week. You can go and see that. Okay. Other people who are, this is a basic question that people have. So which are the best tools? These are the best tools. And if you want to search which are the best free tools, you just write free. Okay. See, in this session, 1.5 hours that we are going to spend, I am going to show you how you can utilize video editing for your thing. Okay. There can be tools. Okay. There can be techniques that you can use. There can be things which are there. Okay. But at the end of the day, it is the conscience that you should have. So if you want to upload it on YouTube, you should do this kind of thing. If you want to upload it for something else, you should do this kind of things. Okay. Ishan is asking, is it Uber suggest a software? It is for SEO and ranking. I I am a digital marketer, so I continuously see which are the people who are ranking on which of the things. So that is why I use this. There are a lot of other softwares also, and digital marketing is a very big field. So we need to keep on updating ourselves, see things which are there. Okay. So these are the best tools which I think you all can get. This is a simple search that you all can do. Next thing which we will be doing is I will be showing you Adobe Suite. Okay. So Adobe Premiere Pro is there. Those of the people who want to know, it is a paid tool. Okay. It is very expensive in a way that 19,000 rupees साल का मिलता है. There are ways in which people use Adobe Premiere for free also. Okay. But then there are its basic versions which we can use. Okay. So there is Adobe Premiere, which will be very expensive and you will need a lot of things. iMovie is one of the example. Those of you who are using Mac, okay, iMovie is free for people who are using Mac. Okay, it is very good for editing. Okay, in the same ways, if you say for a starter, okay, somebody who is starting in the beginning, what I used to use was Movie Maker. Okay. So a lot of updates have not come in Movie Maker, but Movie Maker is a very simple tool. It is a drag and drop thing where you can see how videos can be edited. Okay, it is very easy. Editing videos in Movie Maker is very, very, very easy. Okay, understand that part. So that is one. We used to do a lot of videos in Movie Makers. Okay, projects cannot be added. It's a desktop version. Varun, for mobile apps, there are apps. Okay. Yeah, I am coming on InShot and other things. Sunil, I am going to discuss those of the things also. Okay. So are you able to see my other screen, which I have opened? Best tools one. Are you able to see that? There's an Excel sheet that is there. Okay, nobody is able to see the Excel sheet. Great. I did not wanted to share it with you. That is the thing. What I will be talking about is that is just a testing, guys. So I will be talking about InShot. Okay. KineMaster is one. Okay. Other thing is Power Director. Vlogit is there. Vlogit is for vertical things. Okay. What I have done is I have listed down a lot of softwares, tested them, and which I thought were good enough for you guys. Yes, we are talking about phone. Triksha, if you are talking, we are talking about phone ones. Okay. And then we will be moving forward with the ones which we can use it for desktop. So this is for all the people who want to use it in the phone. Okay. And want to know how to do editing on phone and those kind of things. So KineMaster, you will would have seen a lot of things. Okay, in KineMaster, there is a Power Director, which is one of the best softwares which I have used. And okay, for these all things, I think please repeat the list. Okay, if you want the list, there the list goes as what are the my best things which I have used is. One is InShot is good, KineMaster is good, Power Director is paid, it is good. FilmGrow is good, yes. GoPro, Quick by GoPro is also there, which Kunal is saying. I have a list of 10. Let me share it with you guys so that you guys can also go and see those. Okay. So these are the few tools which I thought were good. Okay. So these are the tools which I went through and I liked them. Final Cut Pro is a very good tool, very good. So these, what are the tools that you guys are talking about? Are are some of the best in the industries. Okay, and we are going to discuss more on the free versions just now. So let us go forward with that. So when you are starting your thing, InShot will be a great tool to use. Okay, and you will be having a lot of filters. You will get a lot of free stock. How many of you have done editing on phone? Okay, okay, okay. A lot of people have done. Okay, great. So what you can do today is go and ensure it's a very simple tool. Go use it. Same like if I am showing it on here, I will show on the desktop versions also, so you will understand. I won't be able to share my mobile screen. Okay, next time I will make some jugaad for that also. Okay. Uh, okay. For mobile versions, there will be apps which are app logo. Without app logo, I will bring that up also soon. Same with Kingmaker. It is very easy to use. It has a user guide and it is okay. What to use for video lecture editing. Okay, great. So I will bring that up also in the next version that I have. Okay. No software will be watermark free. Remember, Canva जैसा सब कुछ नहीं है, सब जगह. Okay. Uh, every software will try to bring in their things. If you, this is for the people who are starting. Okay, understand that. So if you're in the beginning, you have to use some tools and techniques, and there are okay, Quick is watermark free, which is by, I think, let me open that also. QUIK. This is by GoPro. It is free video editing tools. Then you can use this one. Okay, it is watermark free, as somebody has mentioned. Okay, what I want you guys to understand in a way is you go use the tools accordingly what you like. I think there's some problem with the internet. Why I'm pushing you all and showing these things is you experiment, because sometimes what will happen is you will get one of the tools which understands you your requirement, because these all tools are very famous and they get a lot of people who are using these tools. Okay, if you get the editing and everything right in one of the tools, what you can do after that is you can maybe get a paid version of the same. Okay, okay, somebody saying Quick is not watermark free. Tricks, there is no option currently for on the phone. What you can do is you can use your own editor on phone. I will bring up some of the softwares in the next version which you can use. Like Canva is there. Canva you can use on phone, which is watermark free always, and it is going to be watermark free. You can use a lot of designs. Like this is one of the designs that you can use. Okay, this is watermark free. If you see, there aren't any watermarks, and it is with video. Okay, so okay. Jigar is asking what content should be there in a startups video made for customers. Okay, so Jigar, for content creating for startups, I think one thing should be, as somebody as you are from incubator, I think you should show what are the strengths of your incubator and what are the things. Yes, Pushpak is asking Canva has an Android app. Yes, Canva has an Android app. Okay, let us move forward and then we will take some questions. We will create a video for I think this one, what you call startup, and then go for this. Okay, Sai Kiran has a point for people. Okay, Vlogit is another platform. Okay, you can go to your YouTube store and you can see it is very easy. There will be watermark, I think, for this tool also. Understand that part. Watermarks are going to remain if you want to use them. Okay, or you will have to go some heavy softwares which are there. Okay, great. So let us move forward. one of the softwares which I used a lot is iMovie. Okay. Uh, Let me just go and show you some tools so that you all can get some idea. Okay. See, this is YouTube. Okay, YouTube has a very powerful tool. All of you people who are saying minimum editing करना है, थोड़ा सा ये करना है, थोड़ा सा वो करना है, those kind of things can be done in YouTube Studio also. Okay, what I will do is I will just upload a small video. I will have to see if I have a small video or not. I'll go to create. I'll upload video. Let me just go and have a channel which has videos, which is my channel in a way. Think we will have to go to my own channel. Okay. So this is my channel. There will be a lot of videos which are there. I used to upload videos in my time. If you see this video, okay, this is a test video which I uploaded. I will just show you how the video is, so you get an idea. So this was made in Movie Maker. This is in Powtoon. These are animated videos. Okay, so this is what I created. How many people know about Powtoon? Can hit yes. Powtoon. Let me just open. It's a video making tool. It's again comes with the watermark. Okay, but it's very easy, and you create different videos with it. Same for marketing people who were understanding what to do. Just a second. Are you able to hear the sound? These are mostly animated videos. They have everything ready and then it's templated thing just like Canva. Okay, but their logo will come most of the time. You will have to pay to get remove the logo. But these are the things as a startup or as an individual you can always use because a lot of templates are there. I used to use them in my initial days. See, for work, for education, for personal, you can use it all from all. Simple drag and drop tool, just like Canva. Let us log in and see if I have my login there. I used to use it. I think I haven't used this for 3-4 years now. But let me try and show you guys if there are something left. Okay, they will be spamming me now. Okay, so I was in the videos. So this is a video. Then you can go to the editor which is there. So this is YouTube's local editor. Okay, you're seeing the things which are there in the bottom. Are you able to see those things? Hit yes if you are able to see. Okay, there are a lot of chat. Sorry. Okay, great. So see guys, this is YouTube's editor. Okay, this is a simple editor which YouTube gives, but it is a very powerful tool. Okay, I can split videos. I can trim them here. Okay, just by cutting whichever things I like. I can zoom in and zoom out of this thing. Zoom in and zoom out is for the whole thing. Okay, if I want to, it is 40 to 45 seconds. Okay, I want to just trim this part. I can just trim this. Okay, and then there will be platform for me to, if I want to split it, if I want to cancel it, I will cancel it for now. Okay, I want to increase the sound, I want to decrease the sound, I want to change the sound. I can add a audio also. From where I can get the audio? I can get the audio from the audio clip. Okay, see, whichever audio I want, I can do that. So there's audio which you are seeing. Okay, I can choose this one. I don't know what it is, but add to this video. Are you able to see the audio has changed? Okay. Okay, can't hear the audio. Okay, no issues, but the audio has changed. Okay, I just changed the audio in this, but I won't save the changes. Okay, because I have the video. Then there are things which you can add in your YouTube things. Okay, so you can add different elements, any template, video, playlist, or subscribe. Okay, so what I can add is I can add a apply template. Okay, whichever template that I like. So in the beginning of the video, I am bringing this template up. Okay, so what I will do is I will have to then show what are the videos which are there. Okay, so these are the things which you play around and see, and then you can understand. This is one of the playlists. I can edit which playlist do we want. So there are favorites and then there are songs. I can add the songs playlist. Here I can go, okay, most recent upload. It will come automatically, and here it will come to subscribe. Okay, this is where it is coming. And if I save this, okay, the changes have been saved. Okay, so when we will go in the video, let me just go to open the video and refresh it once. So these are basic things that you can do in YouTube. Changes should have been saved, but I think it is taking some time. So let us see. But these are the ways in which changes can be there. Okay, Tanya is asking, where are you creating this? Okay, see, so, for people who are saying that we should go fast, I will just like to reiterate fact that this is for a beginner session. Okay, we are doing this just so that people who are coming in for the first time understand how videos are there and the basic things. And we won't be able to cover it. Is not a ABC type of session. So understand that, and we won't be going in deep down into a lot of different heavy tools. It is just for simple things like we showed in Canva, like I'm showing in YouTube. YouTube, you can do simple editing. So people who asked again, what kind of thing is there? It is for basic editing tool. Like we went into from our channel. Okay, I will again show you just so that people understand. After you upload the video, after the video has been uploaded, you can customize your video in by going to YouTube Studio. When you go to Studio, okay, okay, somebody just said that he is a beginner and things are very useful for him. Thanks a lot for that, guy. Okay, when we go to the video, okay, we will get analytics, editor, comments, subtitles, and other options. When we go into editor, we will get those tools which I showed you just now. Okay, so these are the basic ones, very basic. You can just cut, trim your videos from here and there and then upload it and those kind of things. Okay, you can do some blurring and other things. If I want to blur some part, okay, I can do that, because sometimes a mistake happens. A time is there, add a blur. Okay, again we can blur faces, we can custom blur. Okay, let me just show you guys. Okay, it is there, and then I am doing custom blur. Okay, this is the object that we said, and they will be blurred accordingly. If I go back, I can increase the size of the object. It is simple drag and drop. Okay, and I am saying done. If you see it again, see, it is blurred for the time being. I did not do it properly, but we can reconfigure it also. Okay, here it is showing perfectly. Okay, so these are the ways in which you can do, if there are some mistakes in thing, you can do this. Okay, this is a basic one. Okay, leave this side. So there are some basic things which are there in for the things which are there in YouTube. You can use these tools and then understand. Okay, so if you go, this is what we did. We edited it. This is the subscribe directly. You can add that subscribe. This is my new playlist. This is another video which was latest upload, and it can come at the end. So after 35 seconds, it is coming. Then click here directly, you will go there. This is for people in the first time who are using, you can redirect people to your own websites. Okay. So that was YouTube video editor, which is there, which is basic, but it has good tools. For the beginners, it is very good. Okay. Let us see if I have something in chat. Okay. Yeah, this is YouTube Studio. Okay. YouTube live are saved to your channel. Yes, YouTube lives are saved to the channel. There will, you will get an option to save it. Okay. iMovie is not for Windows. I will just check because I have been not using Windows for a long time. Let me check in front of you. There are people who iMovie is for Windows also. Great. Oh no. This is something else. There is a ad which is there. Okay. Uh, so this is another thing. But iMovie is a good tool. Okay. So if you want to do editing, how many people want to see iMovie? Editing in iMovie? Give me a thumb. It's a free tool. I will show you iMovie also. Okay. Great. I think we have a lot of people who want to see iMovie editing. See, video editing in most of all the platforms will remain same. I will just show you basic things of drag and drop. Are you able to see the screen of iMovie? No. Okay. Let me just share the screen once more. I'm sharing the whole desktop. Are you able to see the screen now, guys? Okay. I just opened iMovie. Okay. Adobe Premiere and most of the tools will remain same. What I will do now is show you how to create things. Okay. You can use any of the softwares which I will mention. I will give you a list. Okay. They will be same. There will be drag and drop things. Maybe it is a desktop version or maybe it is a online version. Things will be same. Now we will be understanding how to cut things and how to do things. So this is welcome to iMovie. There are three ways. One is videos, enter from the videos that we can create. Movies and trailers can be created and those kind of things. So this is a basic version of iMovie. Okay. I made a small video recently. I think I made it on 18 July. I do not use iMovie a lot. There are two ways in which you can create iMovies. Okay. One is a small movie clip that you have with you and you want to edit it. Other is trailer. Let me show you the trailer part first. So that this is a drag and drop thing. Okay, they have a template ready and then we have to just add text and our videos. Okay, so suppose I made this and there's a documentary. Okay, so let us upload, see this. So these are basic templates which are given by iMovie. There are these type of short videos. Okay, so what will happen is once I choose one, okay, suppose I'm choosing this one. Okay. Okay. Guys, are you able to hear me now? Somebody said me I should upload the video. Okay, great. So this is the outline thing. I can change the name of the movie. Okay, which is, this is test one. For great guys who want to learn. Okay, I think it's okay. The first cast member will come is Sahil Shah. I think there's a female. Let us make it male. Okay. So then the second one will be, I think Jigar is there. He's again male. Then we will have Sandy. She's female. No issues. Okay. So those kind of things are there. Then comes studio, office. Galaxy, we can change it in the background. Those kind of things can be there. Okay. Logo style, credits, and everything. These are the basic ones. Okay. And then comes the storyboard part. Okay. Landscape 1, landscape 2. We will have to upload. Jigar का landscape हमको डालना पड़ेगा. Sandy का landscape डालना पड़ेगा. We will have to drag and drop things here. Okay. And after we do that, let me just show. 1 second. Let us get some media. I think, what do we have? Let us see. It's a music file. We will have to import media. I do not have a lot of videos on my desktop, so we'll have to see where I can get more videos. Videos will be very long. Oh, guys, it's very hard to find videos in the laptop. No issues. We will use any stock images that these guys have. Do they have any photos? Okay, I think no, we do not have videos. Okay, so I will just show you how we can add text and those kind of things, and you can see. So this is a basic one. You go explore these things and you add some videos from your end. They're just drag and drop the way we showed in Canva. Will be so everything will be here, and at the end you will see. This is how it goes. If you want to delete something, you just press delete and it will go. Okay. And this is movie maker. This is a basic one. Then what we will see is no, I do not want to. Okay, let us save. Then we will create a new movie which is entirely by us. This is something which I like, which is I want to use. I will import media. Let me just find some videos. Include in documents. I think zoom. Okay, zoom is there. Ecosystem building. Let us take how to build. Okay, are you able to see? I imported a file. Okay, now I will drag and drop this file. Now we have file on the desk where we want to edit. Okay, so now when you play it, you will be able to see. Just a second, it is loading. Oh, we are just 5 minutes short. Somebody is writing your webinar is somewhat sitting in the classroom clearing all the doubts. Thanks a lot. Welcome, boy. And I just love this kind of things. Okay, so what you are guys you are seeing is, see, the whole video has been uploaded. I will quickly show you how to add audio. Okay, this is the audio effect that you can add. You can drag and drop few things here. Okay, just let me take this and drop it here. So I will get an audio effect. It is a small effect. That is why you are not able to see. Okay, but when I will make it more, then you will see from this side, you will get two audios. It's a big video, that is why. Are you able to hear? Okay, and this is the normal one. This is Gujarati. Okay, so other thing that you can do is you can add titles. So there are simple titles which can be added. Okay, titles will be on the top. Okay, middle will be your thing, which is the video, and in the bottom will be the music which is coming. Most of the platforms have this kind of same thing. Okay, in the titles it is easy editing. Sahil Shah. This session is not no cost designing, but I am remembering that no cost designing, and it was, I think, on last Sunday, so it was 17th May. Okay, and then if you see, you play it, you'll get some music, then you get the no cost designing, and then it goes. You can select the effects also. There are effects and everything which are on the top and bottom. You can see those things. Okay, you can select colors, you can change the way it comes, you can change the size, you can increase the size, decrease the size, and those kind of things can be there. You can add different titles at different places. Okay, but one title is here, you can add another title here, you can add another title here. Okay, those kind of things can be done. It is very easy. Okay. uh, so those kind of things can be done. For people who want to learn deep down into editing, I think you can do that. Okay, see, these are the things. For more things, I think advanced versions, this is a simple thing. Himanish, who is asking, is this a movie maker? This is iMovie, but this is the same kind of format which is there everywhere on mostly all the editors. Maybe the kind of titles which they are giving won't be there, so many titles, but you can see this is everywhere. Most of the people give free tools and free things. There is a fade in fade out effects which you get. So suppose I do a split here, okay, and I want to create a effect of fade in and fade out. I can do that in the starting. Let me do that. Okay, so you all understand what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, I am trying to get a effect. Let me see if I got the effect or not. Okay, I think that is not coming. Great. So this is the basic version, guys, in which how the video editing happens. You have a video in the middle. You have to split it. You can add text at the top. Text will be in the top. If you go to Movie Maker, it is also in the same way. Movie Maker में भी same type का editing tool दिखेगा आपको. ठीक है? You will have text on the top. In the bottom, you can add music. You can change this music also. This the music is on the end. You can mute that music also. You can do those kind of things. Those kind of things are simple Google search things. This is just so that you get some hand holding. You start with the tool and then you understand, okay, this can be done, this cannot be done. What I will do is I will try to create a Facebook group or some kind of channel where we all can interact after this thing. And then once you create your videos and those kind of things, you can share it with me, or people who have done designing can share those things with me. Okay, so I will okay, somebody came, please connect laptop to charger. Yeah, I did that. Okay, let us take some questions. I will stop sharing now. I will give another list which I had. Okay, one of my teammate had prepared. Let me share it with you guys. Okay, so this is other list which I had. You can use whichever you like. There are for Windows. These are for Apple and sorry, Apple things. You can use those. These are desktop versions. Okay, the things are same. Oh, we have 40 questions. Do you guys want to take me the questions, because it is already 12:30? Hit yes or no. I think if you are starting, I prefer Windows Movie Maker. There are OpenShot is also very nice. It is a good tool for doing those things. I think 2 people only said yes. Yes, rest of yes, Sunil, I will be sharing the list with all of you on email also. Thank you. I will do that. Yeah, those who want to leave can simply press leave. Kunal is saying that. Okay. How to identify trends? Okay, I will show you. Let me share my screen, everybody. Okay. There's a tool called Google Trends. Okay, you would write those. Okay, Google. Sorry, my spellings are not always good. Trends. Okay, when you go in Google Trends, what you will find is you can go explore this tool, guys. It shows you what are the people searching in Google. Okay, and if you go change the country, do it India. Okay, you will see what are the people searching in India and what do they want. Okay, just now these trends are there. Daily search will come, and then we will again have to search this, change to India. So currently people are searching this kind of things in India. So these are the daily trends. Okay, this is the way you check trends. There are 7. This was for yesterday's trend. Okay, people were searching this all things. So these are the daily trends that you can see. Okay, trending hashtag. I think trend something was there which was used for Twitter. You can use those. That can be used. Anonymous question was there. Which can you explain about the consequences of Instagram chatting? Instagram chatting, consequences of Instagram chatting. Tanya, can you ask your question again? I think let us bring in Tanya if she has a question. If she is still there. Yeah, Tanya is there. Yeah, Tanya, you're allowed to talk. Can you ask the question again? I did not get it. Tanya, you have to unmute yourself. It will be on the left hand side if you are in desktop, or on the bottom. Okay, till the time Tanya figures out how to unmute. Yeah, Tanya.
Yeah, sir. I just wanted to know the consequences of the Instagram chatting. Like, what are the consequences of it?
Instagram chatting is good. You understand more, meet more people, get to talk to them. Okay.
So there are no consequences in that.
No, you can talk to them. No issues in chatting with people on Instagram. No
Okay.
issues.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So how many listeners, Ishan has asked, how many listeners should we target? Okay. In the initial days, you won't be having any listeners. So you are not targeting anybody. You should just see how much audience is there in the initial days to push you up. Okay. I have my own channel. I have uploaded 3 videos. I hardly get 30 reviews. So can you provide some information about which kind of content should I create? Akshat, can you DM me the links and everything? I can share other things with you. That will be great, because I won't be able to uh, share a lot of things in the live just now. I am, it is Sahil Shah 0801. Okay. Guys, wherever you search, you can search Sahil Shah 0801. You will get me. Okay. YouTube, I answered. Monetization concept, I think monetization concept is still not there on LinkedIn. Some people is liking. Any tech podcast, there are a lot of tech podcasts. You can DM me, I will send you those. Can one monetize their content on LinkedIn? Jay, no, you cannot. When should we prefer Facebook, and which platform should we prefer for live webinars by startup, Insta, Facebook, or YouTube? If you are a startup, I think if you are talking with somebody else who has good numbers of followers, then you can use Instagram, or rest you can use Facebook or YouTube. Okay. Are any motivational video good for LinkedIn? Yes, motivational videos are very good for LinkedIn, Ishan. If you are going to upload videos which are into motivational segment, do upload them on LinkedIn. You will get good reach. If they are in English, much better. Yesha is asking how to merge and edit videos without watermark. Yesha, I just showed you some free tools. Okay. And they can be used. Okay, people who are asking DM is a direct message. You can do me that in LinkedIn, or maybe on Instagram, or any of the platforms which you find me. I will try to reply. When can you monetize your YouTube channel? YouTube channel can be monetized after you have 1000 subscribers on your channel, and I think 400 hours of video views. Only then you can monetize your channel. Vishwa, can you monetize your YouTube channel? Yes, you can, but after 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours. Okay, 4000 hours is the thing. Okay. Herschel is asking, for B2B startup at an early stage, which platform would be best to create catchy videos explaining various aspects and then sharing on social media platform. I think Powtoon is one which we showed. Animated videos can be created very easily. Canva can be used. Canva is very simple and very good. You can use those kind of animated videos which are just drag and drop. If the logo is there, no issue. You can download the video. Okay. After that, you can go to Movie Maker and attach your logo on that. Okay. You can do that. You can get your logos PNG and attach your logos PNG there. It is very simple. So the people, okay. How much money can be earned from YouTube? Initially zero. Initially you cannot earn anything from YouTube. How people earn money through YouTube on videos on YouTube? I'll answer that question. How do you earn money from YouTube, like based on video subscribe? It is on based on the people who are seeing the ads. So suppose I am a YouTube premium customer. If I see any of the YouTube videos, nobody is going to earn from me. Okay, because I'm a premium YouTube premium user. I have a paid YouTube for not showing me ad. If somebody is shown ad on your thing, then only you will get money, but that the revenue is very less. Don't try to estimate that you will be earning a lot of money from YouTube. Can one monetize content on their LinkedIn? No, you cannot monetize directly. LinkedIn is not good, but you can do paid promotions and marketing with other people if you have good followers. How much views to make money? There are a lot of blogs around, you can read them. Can you record your own video and upload on Canva? Yes, you can. There is a upload section on the Canva which we discussed last time. Okay, can we create animated videos? Yes, we did that last time in the fitness intro. Yes, Pranav, I showed you the fitness one. How to create YouTube intro for tech channel? You have to record yourself, or you can create animated videos, which I showed you. Okay, Dev. For promoting college, which are the good platforms? Promoting, which is a good platform? Are you talking, Karun? If you are talking about platform wise, then YouTube will be good. You can show a lot of videos. You can see other things which people are doing. LinkedIn is good, but for students, LinkedIn is not good. People, because students don't use LinkedIn. Okay. Yes, recording will be shared on YouTube, and we are live on Facebook and NDBI, which is going to remain there. Okay. So Karun, for promotion of college, we will be, I think Jigar will be coming up with a series of digital marketing sessions, which we will be doing. You can attend those and understand from that. Okay. Could you mention best video editing tools? I shared which tools I got. Tricks, which is the best software list top 10 ODI matches of all time. I think Movie Maker will be helpful for doing the top 10 thing. It is very simple. Can you talk about video editing tools? Yes, we did. Okay. Use of Adobe Photoshop for posting and creating videos. Photoshop is used for just graphics and not for videos. Videos you have Premiere Pro and After Effects. After Effects is a very good tool. If you all want to understand more about videos, you can learn After Effects. I used to do that in my earlier days. Free tools for editing long form we discussed. Can you tell about shortcut cut? I haven't heard about it. There are a lot of tools. Every day new tools are coming up. I have a lot of static pictures from my handcraft design travel, which I like to showcase in video. How to can I stitch video into content? We showed you can use your mobile app ones, mobile app things which I shared in the chat, or you can use Movie Maker, or you can use iMovie. Those kind of things. It is simple drag and drop. You can add music. You can use Movie Maker also, iMovie, and something of that sort. What will happen is you can put all the images once, then you can make some effects into that before each image. Okay, like I showed in the Movie Maker, that there are some effects which you can keep, and then simply have a music in the background, add some text, and your video is ready. It is very simple. You can create that in half an hour or 1 hour. Okay. Teleprompter subtitle software for desktop. There isn't any software. You will have to add them. YouTube has a different way of adding subtitles. Go search and then you will get. Can we remove watermarks? Yes, Tanya, I showed you that you can remove watermarks by just making your own logo there in Movie Maker. Create animated videos. Yes, Pranav, I showed Powtoon is one which is free. You can use that. Can you please show sample of your videos which is edited on phone? Sorry, I cannot share my phone. We have 16 more questions and we have 5 more minutes. I will end at 45. Okay, Sunil has 2 questions. I will like to take Sunil in. Sunil. Yeah, Sunil, you are allowed to talk. Please unmute yourself on the left hand side, which is there. And till that time, I will answer 1 or 2 more questions. What is the more effective attention for audience, voice over or just video content like in PPT format? I think it all depends on your audience, but if there is voice is very important. Arushi, if you are creating a video with voice, that will be great. Yes, Sunil sir, if you can question, ask your question.
Yeah, I have already dropped a couple of questions. It's the same question. How we can monetize our YouTube lives, the live streams?
Live streams, sir, cannot be monetized. Monetization can only happen after you have done the stream. Other thing that can be done is you can give monetization. Like, has anybody seen Lalan Talk? Let me show you the Lalan Talk thing. What they are doing. Okay, you go to YouTube.
Okay. The other question is, can we make a paid, participants for YouTube live?
I did not get that question. Paid participants means? Yes, you can do. Ticketing, you're talking about ticketing, right? Yeah, that can be done. Okay.
I would really,
So this is not the one which I wanted to open, but if you see any of the videos which are recent, okay. You see the ad which is coming? Ludo King ad. So this kind of tie-ups that you can do wherever you want. When your channel is getting more views, you can do those kind of channels. I think I answered your question, Sunil sir. Thank you for coming to this session and disabling you talking. Okay. Summary of key liners of the session. Okay, let me just summarize the session. We don't have a lot of time. I will summarize it for you all. Just let me grab some water. Basic thing is what we did in the whole session was in the initial we talked about which are the platforms. Platforms wise, if we see YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok is there, Telegram, Hello is there, Chat is there, Instagram is there, Facebook is there. These are the major platforms that you can do. on each platform there are different ways of videos that you can upload. In the first, if you say for YouTube, you can upload long form videos which go very well on YouTube. Okay, then there are other platforms like Instagram. Short form videos are very well on Instagram. In LinkedIn, you can upload videos which are relevant to industry. So if you are uploading how to do videos and those kind of things, in LinkedIn it will go. If you are uploading motivation things on LinkedIn, it will go very well on there. If you are trying to teach something to people which are skills which they require in office, that will go very well in videos. Okay, on LinkedIn. Then comes TikTok. TikTok, I think if you are from a personal branding view, if you are a motivational speaker, you can use TikTok. You can upload videos in that segment. For Instagram also, stories are very good. You can upload videos in the story format. You can do lives with people, so that you will get a lot of traction because other people will be having their audiences. You will interact with their audience. That was on Instagram. Other platform is Hello, is a new platform which is coming up in local language. Okay, and do those things. Akshat, can you tell name of your YouTube channel? I think Tanya, you have to do it with all you have done the message to all panelists. You have to do it with all panelists and everybody, all the speakers. Sorry, all panelists and all attendees. You can get chat with them. Sahil, I joined a bit late. Can you let me know preferred number one tool? I shared it in chat. You can just go to them. I will drop you all guys an email also after the session of the video session that we are doing just currently, and then do those. Okay, so I think